Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper. This is Talali with you and I'm taking you through the update of the 10th of February 2021. As you see, we are starting our recap with the backtest, for the data. And while the backtest is completed, I will start with you, sharing with you the results quickly. And we will go through them during the recap. We have entered 3 trades or 3 opportunities out of the opportunities that we started with. The first one came to our screener at 1:30 and we entered with it. We put our set in and out and it took us 23 minutes or 21 minutes actually, 23 minutes, 26 minutes to close the trade at minus 300. Next one, we closed it within less than a minute, achieving our 7% at 480, following in 1 minute also TGC at 2:15 at 2:15 or 14:15, and it made to us 930, totaling a net profit of 1,110. Okay, so that's for the 3 opportunities that we entered. I did not continue. The market was full of opportunities, but I decided just to take 3 and watch the performance of the trading. So congrats to those who benefited really from it and who are watching really and enjoying making history with us. Okay, the backtest is taking a long time, and let us see what's happening here. While the backtest is completed, let us talk about the signals, couple of signals, and how it was going really. The market was kind of unstable and going up and down, made a historic high and then closed as you see. While the data, of course, as usual, due to the signals that we are experiencing in February, in the month of February, we are taking our backtest results from the signals, from the backtest, not from the signals. I like to link usually. I like to talk about the, 2 at the same time. But what's happening now is that we are updating the backtest, then we are visiting the signals, the live signals. For those who were with me yesterday during the trading, I think you noticed that I started to give you, to indicate where we are entering, and then to share with you the screen of the platform, where you can really watch with us how is it moving and how is it really going. So as an example, here we indicated, and the signal was at, our target take profit was at around 6. So when this is happening, when this happened to us, we took our profit and we left earlier, okay, while it continued all its way to almost double. So one question came to me from one of the followers, that why am I putting the same twice, the same indicator twice, or the same screener twice? It's almost the same. There is no difference, but sometimes I fail in, or I forget, I miss putting the history here to be as now. I miss putting it on real time. So it stops at this signal only, and it doesn't continue with the update. While here, you have only one option, either to put it all or real time, and both are always giving you the signal as real time without any delay or something. So that's the reason why I'm putting two identical. I could have put any other alternative. I have plenty that I can share, but this is our screener, the Gulf screener, the Gulf Sniper screener, and this is what we are using really in our trading. Okay, now today we have successfully managed to make $6,155.10, taking you through the results. You can freeze the screen, please, to watch those most and least profitable ones. So OSN, CLV, RW, GILL, PHAS YRD. Let me take you quickly through the backtest signals. Signals, entries, then we will talk about the live signals. First one was HOT, TH, and let us see why did it lose. We have in the first minute all these opportunities, so we will just take two. We'll take HOTH and HUGE, then we'll move on. The signals appears to us, it appeared at, of course, the day was opening, it was gapping up, everything was, looking attractive, but when you enter here also the signal was giving you promising direction, but unfortunately it did not continue more than the first signal, so this is a confirmed losing one. Moving to HUGE. HUGE, luckily it gave you the signal and it made it, and then it started to move against its direction. So yes, that was a good one, winning one. Let's move on. CLVRW is another winning one, and I think if you enter, you can easily make the profit, and you can successfully close your trade within 15 minutes. Moving on, ANCN. I tried to enter actually in ANCN, and if you were watching during the live trading, we were trying to jump in, and the entry, I did not enter when it was a 3. I tried to enter when it was 4 and was trying to break also. And ANCN, when we go to the signals here, it will show you exactly what is our target, profit target, which was at around 6 or 5.99 something. So I thought that I spotted it from the 5. I was trying to enter from the 5 when it was at 100 something %, but it continued to 240%. Unfortunately, it made the break. I tried to jump in, but I was not that, lucky to catch it. So I decided to stay away from, going against the profit target, but it continued. It continued perfectly, actually, till it made like 250. So I did not enter this one. It's a winning one. If you enter even from the $3, you can make an early profit and, keep on watching it. But yeah, it has done great movement actually. And this shows you how strong it is really when it breaks the profit target. When it breaks it with momentum, it will continue. This shows you how strong was the signal that it did not even consider the profit target. So congrats to those who made profit out of that. BRN, was supposed to continue its winning, direction, but from the signal, but unfortunately it did not make it. So that's a clear losing one. Moving on to AKER. Clear winning, no problem. I want to see one losing. IO. I think you will not enter this one because of the low trading volume. Let's take another losing one and why it lost. I think this one's supposed to be a winning one, but with this candle, but that depends where did you enter. Okay, moving on. Let's say a winning one. Okay, GILL, just to confirm that our entry was correct. I think it did not go down, otherwise it would give you a losing result. But it started from here. Yeah, sorry. It started from here and it made it. It did not start, then go down, then continue. So that's an obvious one. Gave you a signal from here after confirming, the upper direction, and then it continued all the way to make a profit in 2 minutes. So excellent one. YRD was an excellent one as well and successful one. I think it's obvious, no question about it. Oh, it entered from here, it took longer time actually, but if you enter even from here, you can make some profit. Either you'll be patient with it or you'll stick to the rule and leave, then the signal will come to you later on, I'm sure. Okay, then moving on. Okay, HUSN. Why did it lose? Was supposed to continue, but it did not have enough momentum to go up. Let's take another losing one. We'll focus on the losing ones then. We know the winning are clearly winning, but what happened with this one? It gave you the signal late here, then you enter the next signal. I think if you are trading on our strategy, would you go with this trade? I'll leave the answer to you. Okay, PHAS. Okay, let us, something good that we can do is to look at the signals and what had happened versus the backtest. So CREX appeared to us. CREX appeared to us at CREX appeared and made a profit while. So it's us against the backtest. So here CREX made profit, and the trade was entered at 9:32 until 9:56, while we entered at 1:30 or 1:29, and then we took some time and then we lost with it. Next one was BYFC. BYFC came at BYFC. Where are you, BYFC? BYFC came at 11:13, and we entered late, but we made it also. So BYFC entered the backtest at 11:13 and it lost at 11:19 in 6 minutes, but we made profit in 1 minute. That's good. 1-to-1. Let us see the last one, TGC. TGC lost in the backtest, but we made it. So we completed the backtest for today, which is good. Actually, it was good opportunities. Those were good opportunities, really, and profitable ones. Okay, let's move let's move to the signals now. PSTV appeared to at late stage, so I think it appeared earlier. So AWX from 4 giving you a room to 440. I think from 4, did it make it at 440? No, that's a losing one also, but you can tell. Okay, PHAS again, not that interesting at this stage. Oh, sorry, gave it a signal. Okay, it's interesting after breaking really the resistance at 4.9 or 4.89. So when it broke it here, it confirmed it to you. Then you can make your move. So from here, it gave you a room, and then it opened the gate for you, confirming to you that it will continue. The only negative thing here is that you're going to, to be face to face with the whole figure at 5. But you can watch easily, closely, and easily determine whether you are really in the upper side. When you reach the 4.9 at the beginning of this candle, you can tell that your next is 5.12, and can be easily looking into the chart and the breakage of the consolidation, of the lengthy consolidation, that it will make it, that it has enough momentum to go. So that's a winning one and clear. YRD, there is room here, but what was it? I think it was obvious also. We were not far away from the 473 here, breaking also. Good upper movement, but making remarkable jump here and going here. And it respected, as usual, the profit target, which is perfect. And take 2 or 3 more and stop here today. ANCN, see where it appeared to us. Then I was just watching and waiting for it. And I saw 3.7. I said, oh no, this will collide, this will collide with the 4, and then it will go down. It will not continue. I was wrong, really, and it made a very nice and sweet movement that it reached almost more than 250 actually percent. Here it was at 35, and I was saying, no, it will not continue. No, it will not continue. Then it continued to the 4. Then I said, no, at 4 it will not. And then I tried to jump at 4. No, actually I tried to jump at 5. I was really, thinking about, where is this going to move and whether it will make it or not. So I was just waiting. Then it appeared to me. Okay, and then I was just saying, it will just make it. It will just, after the 4, I was saying, no, it will just hit the 5 and it will not continue. But it was not really spotted. Then when I reached to the 5, it was totally out of control. When I reached to here, I was saying, oh yeah, now I can jump in. Oh, it's 5. I will just jump between the 5 and the. Then it jumped out of control. Then I entered an FMI, thinking that this one has lost already. I put FMI in my mind. I was spotting it again, and then I said that no, this has done its movement already. It's 73. It's too late. So I will just think about FMI and find a good entry. Then I put the FMI, as you can see. Then I said, no, this is not moving. Seems that this will not move. So I will just move to another opportunity. But my eyes were really on ANCN. I was really like crazy, going totally out of control. But when I decided to jump in, it was too late. Yes, here. From here to 5, it did not take long time. So it made it. at the same moment. Okay, then it made it. So then TGC also made its move as well. All right, I'll stop at here today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and you make profit out of it. Please stay tuned for today's life opportunities. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.